Hello guys, this is Reese from Bomberito St. Peter's Volkswagen in St. Louis. Today I'm showing you how to use Park Assist in your 2024 or newer Atlas. I'm in a 2025 Atlas SEL Premium R line. This only comes in the SEL Premium R line on Cross Sport and Atlas as of the time I'm making this video. So I'm going to try to park this car in that space right there between the silver Atlas and this gray Cross Sport right here on the right hand side. Let's see how it goes. I've got head-up display right here. I got the instrument cluster here. I'm going to hit to start this, I'm going to hit the P menu button right here. It brings up this menu on the screen right here. And then I'm going to let off the brake and drive slowly forward. It says it's searching for spaces. So let's hope it sees this space right here. Searching for spaces. I'm driving slowly. It lights up, it shows me that space right there. Press the start button on the screen here. It tells me that over here. So I hit the start button. It brings up my front view camera right there. And it says, please drive slowly in reverse. So I'm gonna shift it to reverse. And I'm letting off the brake here. And it's using the sensors. And I'm doing hands-free right here. It's doing that for me. There's the rear view camera. The park sensors will help. Getting close to this object here, or this vehicle here, just slowly. It says please brake. Now drive forward. So I'm going to shift to forward, or to drive. There's the wheel turning. Please drive slowly forward. So we're going forward. I'm not touching the wheel. Okay. So there is the instruction to drive slowly in reverse. Put it in reverse. And it says drive slowly in reverse. There's my rear view camera. You look in the mirrors here. There's that car over there. I'm going slowly backwards. The wheels adjusting. And it's lining up. There's a car on this side and this side, and we're getting close here. Now it's not looking at those lines so much as it's just it's looking at this car as an object behind me. Park assist ended, take over steering. So there it is right there, guys. Pretty good. And I'm gonna hit park and we're all done. Pretty nice. I hope this video is helpful. If you got any questions, leave them down in the comments. Thanks a lot, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. Have a great day.